Hi, I'm Alex from Arbourdale, but most people know us as the Pond Guys because we spend our whole summers cleaning ponds like this one, and like that, which we do with these AquaSpheres, like that, like that. And it's been a good summer for us. And we've thrown so many of these AquaSpheres into ponds that I've completely lost track. Like, seriously, probably somewhere in the thousands. And when you throw that much, really, it gets boring, tedious. Like, for real. I've done so many of these that I've had to start finding ways to shake it up and make things interesting for myself. Blue 42, down, set, hey! So Arbourdale wants your help. We're looking for someone who can design us an AquaSphere launcher. Something to get this into there quickly, easily, and efficiently. So if you're an amateur engineer or you're looking for a new DIY project for the winter, maybe you can help us. And because we don't believe in free labor, we're making a contest out of this with $1,000 on the line that could be yours, and maybe a bit more depending on how well you do it. Here's how this is going to work. This is the AquaSphere. It's about 6.5 inches in diameter and weighs just under 2 pounds. The shell on the outside is made of cornstarch, which is handy because it's biodegradable. Unfortunately, it also makes it pretty brittle. But what's inside the shell is just as important. What we've got here are degradable tea bags that are filled with the bacteria that are going to be cleaning the pond. So whatever you do, don't make anything that's going to blow this up and ruin the packets, spread the bacteria, or destroy them, because, then we can't do our job. So obviously the most important part is that the AquaSphere makes it into the pond in one piece. But we do have a few other criteria for you if you'll hang on just a second. For your design to be perfect for us, we need it to not use a motor, whether electric or internal combustion engine, nothing like that. Nothing that's going to require fuel, gasoline, kerosene, nothing flammable, nothing explosive, and please no kind of ammunition, no cartridges or anything. But if you feel like you have to use a propellant or a compressed gas or something, please no disposable bits or single-use plastics or any of that. We are a green company. We're trying to keep our carbon footprint small here, so help us out. Also, whatever you build, please make it something that's actually mobile and portable that we can use here in the field. I can't buy a trailer just to haul the thing everywhere, and I'm not mounting it to the back of my truck. That's insane. Anyway, if you have a design that you think fits all of these criteria, you email your design to Arbourdale, we'll take a look at it, and the first 200 people to submit something are gonna get a free something in return. I don't know yet. Could be a hat, could be a bag full of pens, a bumper sticker, I don't know. We'll check our swag shelf. You'll get something. Don't worry about that. Once your designs are submitted, our team of experts, non-experts, whoever we are, will take a look at them over the winter and debate over which ones are the best, or just our favorite. Here's where it gets good. The top 5 contenders are going to be sent $1,000 cash, Canadian. Don't get excited. And you can do whatever you want with that. Ideally, you will use as much or as little of it as you want to build your prototype on us. And then once the contest wraps up in the spring, we will invite our top 5 to come out to visit us here in Ontario to test out their designs. We'll see how far you can get it in there. We'll see if you can actually keep the sphere intact. And ultimately, we just want to see if it works. And if you're lucky enough to make it to the in-person trials and to be the one to win the whole thing, we will actually use your design. Like, we might pay you for it. We will give you naming rights to it. We want to use it. That's the whole reason we're doing this. So, do you think you can handle that? Visit arbourdale.com and you can find all of the written rules to the contest, the email to submit to, and another video like this one explaining the whole thing again. I hope you guys do enter, because really, I can't wait to see what y'all build. Remember, have fun with it.